You are having the time of your life. A cool November sunset in the desert creates a surreal moment. Pristine white dunes glowing in layers of fading light. It's one of those magical experiences that etches itself deep into your memory and soul. The first half part of this epic 8,000-mile road trip was an absolute blast. The journey included memorable stops such as the Monument Valley, Bonneville Salt Flats, Utah's Moab and National Parks, and the Great Sand Dunes National Park of Colorado, all before the electrifying business event and a social gathering around meeting in Austin, Texas, which was equally great. Filled with laughter, positive energy, and newfound friendships. In New Mexico, November darkness falls fast. By 6 p.m., it feels like midnight. The unlit, two-lane highway has no center divider like so many rural roads. There's nothing to see and hardly another car. 30 minutes in, a convoy appears ahead, and one car swings out to overtake the big rig. A slight uphill. Should be quick, but it doesn't fall back. The car is now less than 800 feet away, yet it doesn't finish passing and refuses to get back into its lane. And before I can say, oh shit, this is the most probable outcome. A life brimming with joy and meaning just minutes before, extinguished by a single reckless pickup truck driver's passing attempt on a dark, two-lane highway. This is what happened to me
on Highway 54 of New Mexico on November 10th around 6:30 p.m. Only 40 minutes after exiting the White Sands National Park en route to the next destination. Except, I had a guardian angel protecting me. My car was driven by Full Self-Driving, FSD. It executed an accident avoidance maneuver that was nothing short of superhuman. With one swift, surgical sway, it saved me and at least 5 other vehicles, including a semi-truck, from what would have been a certain fatal head-on collision and multi-car pileup. The state police officer who inspected the dash cam was astounded that there were no fatalities. I was equally shocked. As the facts came together, I realized the gravity of the situation. Without FSD, I wouldn't have been standing there reporting the accident as an observer. In all likelihood, I wouldn't have survived.